Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I am a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stocks of USA, UK and Canada. And I also share my daily market analysis on the important currency pairs including Australian dollar, US dollar. Okay. Um, this analysis is for 25th Feb 2021 only. That means Thursday. Okay. Tomorrow I'll come down again with tomorrow's analysis. Okay. And sorry for not having a professional setup. I'm just doing this video from the comfort of my home. Okay. So let's get started. So I have the chart of AUD USD in front of me right now, and you can see that it is beautifully following the trend line, and market is in uptrend. Okay. Market is in beautiful uptrend. Took support at the 50-period moving average, and again from there it bounced and again going up. So what shall we do today? Okay. So we will only initiate our trade when market will come down. Okay, right now market is in overbought zone. Okay, so definitely market will come down a little to take a rest. So whenever market will come down and reach this 50-period moving average and bounce off from here after hitting this 50-period moving average, okay, 50 MA, market will definitely bounce. If it has to go up, if bulls has still got the buying pressure on them, then they will definitely take the market upward. Okay, so definitely market will bounce from here, and you will see price rejection from below like this. Okay, you'll see candles like this. Okay, it's this looks like an ice cream instead of a candle. Anyways, you will see some price rejection like this, and from there only you should go ahead and place the buy order, not before that. This is not the area of value. Though market is trending right now, but market will eventually come down. Okay, and when you see that your hard-earned money is in red, okay, your P&L statement will show that you are in loss, then you may panic. So, and most importantly, trading is about discipline, and discipline and taking trade in this zone is against the discipline. Your area of value will be near the 50-period moving average only. Okay, so wait for the price to come down to the 50-period moving average. Okay, right now it is trading at 0.7986. Okay, so it will come down to here and you'll get a better price like 0.7950. Okay, you'll get a better price too. Okay, so do not be impatient, wait for the market to come down. Okay, in case it fails to come down, okay, in case it doesn't come down to the 50-period moving average level and bounces, let me change the color. In case it bounces from this level, okay, suppose market started coming down, and from here market, instead of reaching the 50-period moving, it bounced from here. Okay, so at that point of time you just look at the stochastic RSI indicator. Okay, I'm using stochastic RSI. I have been using stochastic RSI for a long time. Okay. If you're familiar with the stochastic RSI indicator, you can use it. Okay, if you see that stochastic RSI indicator is an oversold zone, or it is giving us a signal that yes, though it has not reached the 50-period moving average, but market is about to go up, then also you can place the buy order, but not at this position. This is not the area of value. Okay, your area of value will be near the 50 MA, or when the market will be in oversold zone. So let the market come down. Okay. So this is it for the day. Hopefully you all have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for daily market analysis. I come down daily with daily analysis. Okay, and if you want to know more about me, you can also subscribe to my channel and visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much and good luck.